nuku Whātua rangi, tūhono mai ki tēnei hōtaka hou Whatu-a. Whatu-a is a talk show that weaves together real-life conversations about employment, education and enterprise.
Well, I just got home from Queenstown, so holiday. I'm down on a good holiday, e te iwi. Get a job, get in there, then you can get out of ōrake.
Employment will be the means, the tool will be the pūtea, and the goal will be the lifestyle.
Money, shopping. But on a serious note, probably stability, goals, relief, as a parent.
I was a babysitter for my cousin, you might know him, Neil Maihi, his children. Man, I got paid so well. I think it was like $50 to look after my niece and nephew for a couple of hours. So thanks, cuz, appreciate that.
Yeah, my first job was being a labourer straight out of school. Me and my wife, we had a baby really young, so I think I was 18. So I was pretty much thrust straight into the workforce. Quickly found out that I don't like digging holes and I don't like being out in the cold. So I had to come up with a plan B, which was go and get some qualifications and sort of have a good think about what I really wanted to do.
My first job was in hospitality. That was working at Sea Cow on the Bay, down in Mission Bay. I loved it. Probably the best first job I could ever have. It taught me confidence, it taught me heaps of things. Time management.
I got fired on the first day, so yeah, it was good learning. Next question.
How do you tell myself that, you're good enough and you can do it?
I reckon dress cool.
Go into any job as yourself, be willing to learn, and if that job's not for you, it's okay to leave it because another door is always going to open. Save, save, save.
Always be a happy chap, I guess.
Have fun, eh?
Perseverance or never give up. Piri Wepu came to our prize giving one year and he was handing out all these gears, and I asked him for a t-shirt and he said, no, you'll get yours one day, leave it for the younger guys. I didn't sort of really know what he meant by that until I actually got my first contract, and with a rugby contract comes all the gears, and then it wasn't until later on, 10 years down the track, that I realised what he meant.
Character influences one's charisma, and one's charisma is something that Mātakitaki told me. What is that?
Whatu-a. That's made up, eh?
That's a series.